Hello friends, I am Mehul Trivedi. I am the parent of Tatsat Trivedi who is studying in Shree Gurukrupaa Vidhya Sankul in class 6. I have made his admission since his nursery days and I have seen growing him since last 8-9 years along with the Shree Gurukrupaa Vidhya Sankul's growth. I am very happy to have him here at Shree Gurukrupaa Vidhya Sankul as the staff over here, including right from principal to the reception, including teachers. Everyone are very cooperative. They listen to whatever you suggest or you complain. I recommend Sri Gurukrupaa Vidhya Sankul for your children because, as Charles Darwin once said, that in survival race the fittest only wins. And as you see, that this age is very competitive for all the young ones. So, to be acquired with the weapon of knowledge and education, I recommend Sri Gurukrupaa Vidhya Sankul as it is equipped with the different education tools like Allen, Eduera, Guru Kids Zone. So, I recommend Sri Gurukrupa Vidhya Sankul for your future knowledge. Thank you.